Y'all, hey, you see the prop bill, so you know what time it is. It's time to get into some saving challenges.
Hey y'all, it's D. I set aside $6 for my 2024 savings challenge. I will be doing 2 rounds of my fries savings challenge. Set aside $4 for my 2 for 2 challenge. Set aside $6 for my books mini savings challenge and $5 for my clutch challenge. So let's cash stuff this money. All right, I hope that y'all are doing well. I will be switching up a little bit how I do my cash stuffings from here on out. So I'm going to just do all of my challenges on my tablet, and then I will cash stuff the actual funds after I finish all of my challenges on the tablet. So as I stated, today I will be allocating a total of $6 towards my 2024 low income savings challenge. I am saving the $72. If you want to save the $216, you can save the middle numbers right here and you will get the $216. So let's color in this 2 and this 4 to signify the $6. Alrighty, so I will be starting a new savings challenge today, and this is part of my mini books saving challenges. And what I'm going to do for the remainder of the year, I'm going to try to knock out all of the challenges that I have on my tablet. I have been reorganizing them, and I'm going to try to knock out as many saving challenges that I can by the end of the year. So for this one, I will be saving for audiobooks, and this mini saving challenges bundle comes with a total of 3. I have did 1 and this is the second one. And as I stated, I will be allocating a total of $6 for this challenge. Each one of my books will be worth a total of $1, and there's a total of 15 books on here. So I will be coloring in 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, y'all. And the next challenge that I will be doing is part of the Friday savings challenge. Movement started by Naja from Budging the Bacon, and if I roll a even number, I will be allocating a total of $2 towards the real fries, i.e. crinkle fries. And if I roll an odd number, I will be allocating a total of $1 towards the baby fries, i.e. the shoestring fries. I am team crinkle fry. And y'all, let's just move this aside for a second. All right, so let's see what we get. Okay, that is a 6, so that's an even. And one more roll, and that's a 12. So yeah. Alrighty, that's a total of $4 for the real fries. So 2 and 4. And that's all of the money allocated for this challenge. Next, I will be getting into my girl 9 Blossoms 2 for 2 deal savings challenge. And this is also part of the Friday saving challenges. And today I will be allocating a total of $4, and each one of these icons is worth a total of $2. So I'm going to mark out 2 of these, and this challenge is coming along. I will have 9 Blossoms linked down below if you're interested in following her journey. And if you have time, she does need some help with her watch hours, so if you don't mind, go out there and run some playlists for her. I know she will greatly appreciate it. So those are all of my challenges that were on my tablet. For this, I am going to update this. I will be cash stuffing a total of $4 for the fries, since I got 2 of the real fries, i.e. crinkle fries. And this is my binder that I use for my cash stuffings most of the time, and I got this from Dawn from Funny Magita Jones. She does have an Etsy shop, and I always have it linked down below, by Marble Binder. So in the 2024 challenge, I am cash stuffing a total of 6. So that is 5 and 6. So this challenge is coming along. I am over halfway done with this. which is super exciting. And y'all, the next challenge is the fries. And it got a total of $4. So I'm going to be 1, 2, and 4. And this one is also coming along. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this by the end of October. Are y'all doing anything for fall in particular? Do you have anything planned with your family? Let me know down below. Myself, I really won't be doing anything. I am not big on Halloween or anything like that. So I just, you know, October is like, okay, go ahead and get it over with, because it's like Halloween just galore everywhere, and it's kind of overwhelming, but I just stay in my lane. For 9 Blossoms challenge, I will be cash stuffing a total of $4 and 2 and 4. So this one is also coming along. I am really enjoying doing these Friday 7 challenges. It is so exciting. And lastly, for my digital challenge is my new one, which is my mini books, and it will be getting a total of $6. So I'm very excited. I'm really trying to knock out as many 7 challenges as I can, as I stated before. And I just want to close out the year strong. I have been working on my 2025 saving goals and all that jazz. So yeah, y'all. Next, I will be getting into my Easy Saving Challenge book catered towards low income, which is available on Amazon, physical copy, and the digital copy is available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. For this one, I allocated a total of $5, and I will be coloring in a total of 5 of these, because each one of these coin purses are worth $1. As you see, I'm probably gonna have each one of my challenges like $1 per icon, unless they're already filled out, so I can go ahead and accomplish some goals that I'm trying to accomplish before the end of the year. And you just gotta do that sometime. Save what you can and keep it moving. You don't have to go out here like some other people and cash stuff hundreds of thousands of dollars in your cash stuffing. You don't have to save that much. You can just save what you can save. If you follow on my channel, I have pretty much always been in the moderate to low income, and I'm okay with that because I chose a profession where I knew I would probably not make like a ton of money, but I'm not the type of person who is money hungry. I just want to be able to take care of myself and get some things that I want and need, and I'm okay. I don't have to be rich, but I do like to create multiple streams of income. I learned a long time ago that for me, having one stream of income is not enough. I am a single income earner, so I am a single household also, and everything falls on me. So having multiple sources of income has really been helpful. I will be showing you my money that I made with apps coming up here in October, so stay tuned for that video. That might post before this one. I do share on my channel every month how much I make with apps, and it is usually around $100 a month. I had somebody ask me, does the apps really work? Yes, follow my journey, and you will see on my How to Budget Low Income playlist where I'm showing you every month how much I make. I include screenshots and everything, so you can see that it really does work. Alrighty, so I'm gonna color in these last 2 and get off my soapbox, and I shall return. Alrighty, so I'm almost finished with this, and y'all, I'm more than halfway finished with this challenge too. So hopefully I'll be able to finish at least 1 to 3 challenges in the month of October. That would be great. Help me get towards my goal. So yeah, so this is the clutch right here, and as I stated, I will be allocating a total of $5 to this one. And y'all, that is coming along. And y'all, that is it for my video. I allocated a total of $25 towards a total of 5 7 challenges. Don't let nobody tell you you can't save on a low income, because you can. I show you every month on here how I'm saving on a low income. So y'all, if you made it to the end of this video, leave me a hashtag do it, because no matter your income, you can do it, whatever you want to do. And don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.